Hi there, family. Welcome to my AI Leaderboard Kingdom review. I'm Samuel from Unique Reviews channel, where I provide honest digital product reviews and after offer super bonus for products I genuinely believe in. Today, I'll be sharing my thoughts on the AI Leaderboard Kingdom. So let's dive in. Let's see who is behind AI Leadership Leaderboard Kingpin. AI Leaderboard Kingpin is a project by James Renoff. Unlike others who make softwares, he offers helpful training and real life examples. James is good at affiliate marketing and shares his tips for doing well in affiliate competitions. He likes using AI tools and short content to boost marketing on various platforms. What makes him special is that he focuses on useful ideas instead of just software, making AI leadership leaderboard kingpin a valuable resource for affiliate marketers. Advantages of AI leadership kingpin: comprehensive training. AI leadership leaderboard kingpin offers through training and real life examples to help people succeed in affiliate marketing. Proven strategies: they teach strategies that they have work for successful product sellers to consistently do well in affiliate contests. No need for expensive software. You don't need expensive software. They show you how to use affordable or free AI tools. You can diverse traffic sources. They explain how to use different platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube to get traffic. Efficient content creation. You can make content quickly using AI tools like voiceovers, videos, authors, email list building. Building an email list is important as it helps you collect potential customers and send them to affiliate offers. Flexibility in promotions: having an email list gives you flexibility in promoting various offers and make more money. Yeah, ready to supercharge your marketing efforts with AI leadership kingpin? Click the link description, get the started today and unlock your path to financial success. Let's see some disadvantages of AI leadership kingpin. Learning curve: while the training is comprehensive, newcomers to affiliate marketing may face a learning curve in implementing these strategies effectively. Yeah, there is no guaranteed results. Success in affiliate marketing depends on various factors, and leaderboard kingpin does not guarantee specific income or results. Requires consistency. Building an online presence and email list through AI generated content requires ongoing effort and consistency. Is AI Leaderboard Kingpin legit? AI Leaderboard Kingpin by James Renoff is a legitimate affiliate marketing training program. It focuses on comprehensive training and proven strategies, not quick fix stuff softwares. It promotes AI generated content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube and emphasizes building an email list for lasting success. While results vary, it offers valuable AI based insights for affiliate marketing success. Yeah, you can unlock your affiliate marketing potential with AI Leaderboard Kingpin. Join now and rise to the top of the affiliate leaderboards. Click the link in description. Check it out.